Okay, I'm recording. Go ahead, you. How long have you had this one?
Had the machine almost 30 years.
Did you buy it new?
No, it's not new.
Where'd you get it from?
From a company out of Canby that sold, I think they're out of business now, sold Takisawa.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, Dale. Do your thing. I think I might want to hire you to do all my videos on all my looky-loos from now on.
We run the exact same program over here.
Okay. And it's got pretty much all the same specs as that machine.
Exact same.
Just
spec.
sequential serial numbers.
And they're sequential serial numbers. It's funny.
It is, because you bought them from two different places. That's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Two different dates too.
Yeah.
Oh, I had to.
Now this one showed a good tool change on it. I like that.
Sure, well, you filmed everything.
Yeah.
The footnote control, I can.
Right.
Filmed all the screens, so it's got the operating number.
Is that one still running over there? That's fine. I got a tool change on this one. That's good enough. They're sister machines, so it's the same.
This one actually has the tools in. It'll show it. It has a tapping.
Because that one didn't have any tools in it.
Well, it had some tools, just not all of them were the right ones.
Right. And they're all wired for 230, Hugh? Okay, good enough.